Being a great professional product owner encompasses more than writing requirements or managing a product backlog. Product owners need to have a concrete understanding of all product management aspects, including but not limited to product ownership, that drives value from their products. This course focuses on all of these areas to teach you how to maximize the value of products and systems. Being a great product owner is the cutting-edge course for product owners, agile product managers, and anyone responsible for a product's success in the market. In this course, students will develop and solidify their knowledge of being a product owner through instruction and examples. The breadth of the role's responsibilities in delivering a successful product will become more clear from an agile perspective. In this course, you will see how to effectively manage man-made products, mostly software products. Sometimes an idea isn't ready for prime time. The technology might not be adequate for the vision, or the people may not be adequately skilled. However, the risk is controlled through short cycles of experimentation. This process is called Scrum, a framework for creating and then further developing complex products. Scrum identifies the product owner as the person who brings the product to life, from vision to creation, and who remains responsible for the product's viability as it develops and continues through its life cycle. A product owner is the one person who is accountable for a product at any point in time. A product does things, performs functions, or causes change or results. A product's life cycle includes the following components: introduction, or creation. A product is envisioned and parts of it come to life. So it has some of the capabilities and can perform some of the functions that have been envisioned for it. Growth, or emergence. As the product is used and time passes, new capabilities and functions appear. These may be created for it or may be appended to it by interfaces to other products. Maturity. The product reaches maturity when fully capable, as envisioned and has emerged, as shaped by marketplace forces, new technologies, and the capabilities of its product owners. Decline, or senescence. Over the hill, the product is still used but has been eclipsed by newer, easier, more appealing products that have more or fewer capabilities, at greater or lesser prices, but are preferred by the marketplace and are more valuable. A product could be a computer, software the computer is operating, a security system, a camera, a car, a workflow system, just-in-time inventory software, a rocket, or a business function that uses one or more of the above and performs a function for an organization. Scrum helps product owners during the visionary phase by simplifying demands on them. Product owners who can excite, can envision, can cause the product to emerge are sometimes less skilled at managing and administering the product as it matures. That requires a person trained in more traditional skills such as manufacturing, inventory, marketing, sales, support, service, and invoicing. A product owner who has both sets of skills is a great product owner. Most of us are familiar with product owners who oversee products in the mature phase of their life cycles. To the extent that they are working closely with their stakeholders and are imbued with a vision, they are successful. Product owners who also run the business, respond to market forces, and help the product morph as new technologies and ideas emerge help it to become more useful. Decline is a difficult part of the product life cycle. We have all seen products from IBM, CTC, Xerox, Kodak, Motorola, Nokia, BlackBerry, Wang, DEC, and other organizations that reach this point in their life cycles. To the extent that these products are gracefully ridden into their graves, they sustain the organizations that hosted them through maturity. Now they are on life support. If they have been successfully carried through maturity, they may have provided an opportunity for new visionaries to come up with new products that can sustain the organization. Usually not. This course describes how a person acting in the role of product owner can use Scrum to envision, emerge, and mature a product. Throughout the life cycle, the product is passed from person to person. In our view, it has to be passed from one accountable individual to the next accountable individual. That single person, the product owner, is responsible for everything that happens regarding the product, its value to its host organization, and to those who use it. That single person, the product owner, is responsible for everything that happens regarding the product, its value to its host organization, and to those who use it. The product owner is responsible for maximizing the value of the product and the work of the development team. The primary tool to do so is the product backlog. The product backlog is an ordered list of everything that might be needed in the product and is the single source of requirements for any changes to be made to the product. The product backlog evolves as the product and the environment in which it will be used evolves. Higher ordered product backlog items are usually clearer and more detailed than lower ordered ones. As long as a product exists, its product backlog also exists. The product owner causes the product to live and grow in many different ways, such as development, partnerships, and interfaces. However, this one individual is the buck stops here person. He or she alone, not a committee or group, fulfills this function. If you have a product at some point in its life cycle, and you want to use Scrum to create more value in it for its users, you will be its product owner. This book aims to tell you how to do so.